Panerai Submersible Rossa PAM01565 watch. Main features are movement, automatic mechanical, P900 caliber number, 12 ligness, 4.2 m thickness, number of joules 23, frequency 28,800 alternations per hour, Incablock anti-shock device, power reserve 3 days, 1 barrel, number of components 171, case diameter 42 m, brushed steel, bezel, steel with ceramic anti-clockwise rotating bezel with graduated scale, case back screwed, brushed steel, dial, blue sun brushed with luminous hour markers and dots, date at 3 o'clock, small seconds at 9 o'clock, water resistance is 30 bar or 300 meters, strap B material gray, other functions, small seconds, minutes, hours, calendar aperture.